Drinks. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about drinks, common English phrases you can use when you order, talk about, or enjoy your favorite drinks. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, David's Café Morning. It's 8 a.m. David walks into his favorite cafe before work. He smiles and says, "Good morning. I'd like a cup of milk and a glass of juice, please." The waitress nods. "Sure, orange juice or apple juice?" David answers, "Orange juice, please." He sits down and looks around. A woman at the next table says, "I drink water every morning." David smiles. "That's healthy. I like coffee, but only 1 cup a day." The waitress brings his order. David says, "Thank you. This juice is fresh." Then his colleague Tom walks in and says, "Hey David, want a bottle of beer?" David laughs. "It's 8 a.m., Tom, maybe later." Tom orders a can of cola instead and sits with David. They both chat about work. Later, another friend, Anna, joins them. She says, "I have tea every morning. It keeps me calm." David nods. "I agree. Tea is great." Anna orders a fruit smoothie and says, "Today feels hot. Lemonade would be nice too." The waitress smiles. "A lemonade, please. Coming right up." Everyone laughs, enjoying their drinks together. David says, "Good friends and good drinks, the perfect morning." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. David's Café Morning. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's 8 a.m. Who walks into the cafe? David. Where does he go? To his favorite cafe. What time is it? 8 a.m. What does he order? A cup of milk and a glass of juice. What kind of juice does he want? Orange juice. Does he order tea or milk? Milk. A woman nearby says, "I drink water every morning." Who says that? A woman at the next table. What does David say? "I like coffee, but only 1 cup a day." Does he drink coffee all day? No, just 1 cup. Who brings the drinks? The waitress. What does David say about the juice? It's fresh. Then who enters the cafe? Tom, his colleague. What does Tom offer David? A bottle of beer. Does David drink the beer? No, it's too early. What does Tom order instead? A can of cola. What do they talk about? Work. Later, who joins them? Anna. What does Anna say? "I have tea every morning." What does she order? A fruit smoothie. What else does she want? A lemonade. At the end, how do they feel? Happy and relaxed. What does David say? Good friends and good drinks, the perfect morning. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about drinks, do uong. Today, you practiced phrases like, "I drink water," "I like coffee," "I have tea every morning," "a glass of juice," "a cup of milk," "a bottle of beer," "a can of cola," "a fruit smoothie," and "a lemonade, please." Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.